Hello and welcome to another ByteBend.com video. Today we are going to look at the Azure Active Directory Application Proxy, and we are going to install the connector and create a connector group, which is part of the blog series we're working on at the moment. Okay, so we are going to launch Internet Explorer from our member server that's going to host the proxy connector, and we're just going to go to portal.azure.com and sign in with our administrator account. And MFA has been disabled on purpose just for the benefit of some other labs we're doing at the moment. Okay, so we're going to head over to Azure Active Directory and look for the application proxy feature, and there it is. So we're going to highlight that and wait for the blade to open, and here we go. This is where we're going to download the MSI to install the application proxy connector. And this is where it will appear once it registers with the proxy service. And there's an inactive connector that we used in one of our previous labs. Okay, so we're just going to agree to the terms and download this. If you do have inactive connectors, so you've installed it and then uninstalled it, you can't remove them from the console as of today. That may come in the future, but it will disappear on its own after around 10 days. Okay, so this MSI, here we go. So we're just going to save this. We could run it from here, but we're going to save it because we might need to install the connector on a few more servers. And here we go, so let's run through the installer. So as part of the prerequisites, we're going to need the application administrator or the global administrator role to install the proxy connector. And to get it registered with the proxy connector service and download a certificate, we need to authenticate as one of those roles. So we're going to sign in with the global admin account for this tenant. MFA has been disabled on purpose for those eagle-eyed viewers. Okay. Once this is done, we should see our proxy connector in our console. So we'll just do a refresh here. And we've picked a slow internet day to do this demo. And there we go, so there's our connector service. So we've got the FQDN of the member server that's hosting that service. It's active, which is good, it's talking. So we know 443 is open. And there's our IP address as well. So that's good, and the next step is just to check the services. I'm fairly confident we do have the two services there for the connector, and we should see the application proxy connector and the application proxy connector updater service. So that's going to take care of the automatic updates. And yeah, we do. They're both running. So we're good to go. Okay, so the next part of this demo, we're just going to create an application proxy connector group. So you're going to want to install more than one connector on multiple servers for high availability and to handle the workload. And you're going to want to assign those connectors to a connector group. So we're going to create one here for one of the apps that we're going to use in our lab later. So we just give it a name, we assign the connector to the group, and then later on we're going to assign the proxy connector group to the enterprise app that we're going to create. And there we go, you can see the connectors will now cascade under that group that we've created. So thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you again soon at ByteBend.com.